After school, dark clouds gathered in a rush. We stood for shelter under a familiar awning. You clutched your books, I watched the street side rain. Neither left though the downpour had eased. One umbrella, yet our paths led different ways. I offered to walk you home, you nodded softly, your cheeks flushed in the breeze. Our shoulders close, yet we dared not touch.
The falling rain hushed the busy street. We heard only the rapid beating of our hearts. A flash of lightning illuminated your eyes, and I forgot the words I'd meant to say.
The first kiss shared in the gentle rain,
like a petal brushing against the spring.
no promises made,
Yet we both understood that from this day
our hearts had changed.
that first kiss
In the rain
lingers on.
though years may wash over the long roads ahead.
An innocent moment from the age of 18,
Staying with us through all the days to come. You lowered your gaze, hands gripping the small umbrella. My ears turned red, I was at a loss for words.
then we laughed together, shy and flustered.
The surrounding rain
Seemed to whisper a song.
at your gate.
You turned back to say,
Don't tell a soul about what just happened.
I nodded vigorously, though my heart wanted to sing, as the whole sky shimmered with a brilliant glow.
That night I listened to the rain on the roof.
Each drop recalling the moments spent with you.
At 18 we didn't grasp the meaning of forever.
Only knew my heart was too restless to sleep.
That first kiss in the rain wasn't perfect
Hair disheveled, shoulders damp
from the storm,
but memories need no polish or perfection.
only the presence
Of the one we hold dear. That first kiss in the rain became a secret.
we cherished it like a treasure in our hearts.
Even if we eventually go our separate ways, we once found a love worth having.
If one day we truly part,
And the rain brings back the memories.
please remember that at 18
Someone kissed you beneath the tamarind trees. That first kiss in the rain has faded away,
but its sweetness lingers to this day.
there are moments that happen only once, yet leave a memory the heart holds forever. Ooh.